Hello, travelers. Do you want to travel more while spending less? Here are the best tips and tricks to find cheap tickets for flights, trains, and buses. 1. Book in advance. Prices rise closer to the travel date. Airlines, buses, and trains often release tickets 2 to 6 months ahead, and the lowest fares are usually available right at the start. 2. Be flexible with dates and times. Midweek travel, Tuesday to Thursday, is cheaper than weekends. Early morning and late night journeys are also discounted. Use fare calendars on Google Flights, Skyscanner, or Trainline to spot the cheapest days. 3. Use comparison websites. Always compare before booking. For flights, check Skyscanner, Google Flights, or Kayak. For trains and buses, try Omeo, Trainline, or Flixbus. These platforms show multiple providers so you don't overpay. 4. Set price alerts. Apps like Hopper, Skyscanner, and Kayak let you track prices and notify you when they drop, saving both time and money. 5. Look for discounts and promo codes. Students, youth, seniors, and groups can save 20 to 50%. Before paying, search for voucher codes on sites like Retail Me Not for extra savings. 6. Consider alternatives. Instead of flying, budget trains and buses like Flixbus or BlaBlaCar can be much cheaper, especially for short distances across Europe. 7. Check nearby locations. Flying into or out of smaller airports can be cheaper than major hubs. The same applies to train and bus stations in nearby cities. 8. Use loyalty points and memberships. Redeem frequent flyer miles, credit card rewards, or memberships like Student Beans, ISIC, or AARP for hidden discounts. 9. Travel light. Many budget tickets exclude luggage, and paying for extra bags can double your costs. Packing light keeps your fare cheap. 10. Last-minute deals. While booking early is best, sometimes airlines, buses, or trains drop prices at the last minute to fill seats. Apps like Hotel Tonight and Last Minute help find these bargains. Golden rule: always compare multiple sites, stay flexible with dates and locations, and check for discount cards or memberships before booking. Traveling cheap is all about being smart and flexible. Use these tips to save money and enjoy more adventures. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel guide and hacks.